Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, English Skills with Allie. So in today's video, I would like to focus on the difference between the gerund form and the infinitive form. So let's get into it. So actually, before we get into it, and before I explain to you the actual differences between the gerund and the infinitive form, I want to give you all a small little introduction about me. In this little introduction, I will use the gerund and the infinitive form. So, I really like traveling, and one day I want to go to Thailand. It has always been a dream of mine to go to Thailand. I love jet skiing, but I hate water skiing. I remember jet skiing when I was a young child with my grandmother. And yes, my grandmother loved jet skiing. And one last thing about me, I used to play tennis when I was in high school. So if you noticed in that small introduction about me, I used both the gerund form and the infinitive form. So now let's get into the differences and let me explain to you how we use the gerund form and how we use the infinitive form. So a gerund, also known as the ing form, does the function of a noun which is made from a verb by adding the ing at the end. The infinitive form, or also known as the to form, is the base form of a verb with to. For example, Mary forgot to send me a reply to my email. Or, I like to read romantic novels. So, to send and to read is the infinitive form. The infinitive form is often used to talk about something very specific, whereas the gerund form is often used to talk about something in general. So, is there a rule to learn this? So unfortunately, there are no rules that tell you when a verb is followed by a gerund or when a verb is followed by the infinitive form. So here is a short list of some verbs that are followed by the gerund form. Acknowledge, keep, admit, understand, discuss, dislike, enjoy, and imagine. So let me use a few of those in some examples for you. I enjoy walking outside in nature. He imagined making a lot of money with his online business. I disliked learning math in school. And that's true. I really disliked it. I was horrible at it. And here is a short list of some verbs that are followed by the infinitive form. Agree, aim, decide, manage, fail, and happen. So let me give you a few examples of these words in the infinitive form. I decided to start my YouTube channel. I aim to work hard every day. He failed to send in his report on time. I hope this information is clear for all of you. There are certain verbs that can be followed by both the gerund and the infinitive form, but I will get into that in another video. Let's try an exercise to help you understand this topic a little bit better. I'm going to flash some sentences on your screen, and you have to put which form of the verb it should be in. So the gerund form or the infinitive form. Let's go. So how did y'all do? How was the exercise? Was it hard for you? Easy? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope that you were able to learn something new from it today. Again, if you need extra practice, there is a really great website that I will link in the description box below, but I will also put it right here on your screen, perfectenglishgrammar.com. Be sure to also follow me on Instagram. I post daily grammar, vocabulary, and English tips and tricks just for you, so be sure to follow me on there. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way you can help me out. And also be sure to subscribe for more videos. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!